these are the tools I used. I will have links in the description for all of these. First, I added some masking tape just in case I moved the drill bit and tapped it. I didn't want to mess up the plastic frames. This would have been faster if I could have found my X-Acto knife. But you want to make sure to get all of that so that the sensor can still see the light. Just real slow. Go really slow. It might be easier if you had a vise to put the glasses in, or a drill press. Drill press would have been a lot easier. You only go less than 1/4 of an inch deep while drilling this. Once you get near 1/4 of an inch, look inside the hole and you'll see the LED light getting brighter and brighter as the plastic comes out. And you can tell that you're getting pretty close to the light. You'll see the LED diode, where you'll see it get just extremely bright right as you get towards it. You go very slow here. It looks like I'm going fast, but the video's all sped up. You'll hit that diode within a 1/16 of an inch of drilling. Just go slow, check it a whole lot. You see no light. It knocked that diode. The light on the inside of the frames shows recording. That's why I kept spinning it around. Clean it off briefly. Here you want to get some UV resin. Barely need any at all, less than 2 drips. You do not want to overdo this at all. It's annoying to try to clean this up. Move it around, try to get it from edge to edge. There's like a metal ring around the glass. It'll make a slight bubble effect all the way across. And right here you want to move this around, make sure you get it real good. I cut the video a little here. It's about 90 seconds, maybe 2 minutes, and it'll harden. Here I'm using a buffer wheel. I'm just buffing it out, making sure it's nice and smooth and everything. You can wet sand this with 3000 grit sandpaper. It comes out looking really shiny like glass after that. Here's proof it's still recording.